You said if you came to see Daddy, you'd tell him.
Who's this? That's bear.
Okay. Now, what are you going to tell Daddy? Can you tell him, who built a big boat? Tell him.
No.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
And what was the boat called?
A yellow boat. A yellow boat.
Okay, you're not trying hard. What did he put on the boat?
A sticky animals.
The stinky animals? How many were there?
2 by 2.
2 by 2, that's right. And then what happened?
Rained.
It rained. How long did it rain? Do you remember?
2 by 2.
2 by 2? It rained 2 by 2. Did it rain for 40 days?
2 by 2.
The only answer is 2 by 2.
2 by 2.
What happened? What happened on the boat?
2 by 2.
Well, that's not quite the way this went in rehearsal. Why did Noah build a boat?
It's stuck in there. Pretty.
Oh, it's very pretty. You tricked me to get in here 2 by 2. So tell me, Nellie, what happened when the rain stopped?
It's Noah not getting rain.
Yes, and it didn't rain on Noah once the rain stopped. And what was in the sky?
Second,
What was in the sky?
a rainbow.
That's right. And why? Who put the rainbow in the sky?
And God.
That's right. And why did he put it in the sky? Do you remember that part?
Put this on here.
You might not remember that.
There you go, Daddy.
That was still pretty good. That wasn't too bad.
I'm going to go out.
You're going to go out? Where are you going?
Hello.
Hello.
Goodbye.
What are you doing, Penelope?
Hello.
Hello. I had a feeling.
Hello.
You said what? Aloha.
Goodbye.
You're confused.
Hello.